Yeah, so I chose my M4 full exhaust system purely for aesthetic purposes. So I tend to listen with my eyes, right? And what I mean by that, it doesn't matter if it's like the most impractical thing. As long as it looks pretty, I'm probably gonna buy it. And you know, because the M4 exhaust is all black, even the headers are black, I mean, that was enough for me to be like, yeah, I'm gonna get this. It wasn't like a performance thing, it wasn't a price thing, you know, it was purely just aesthetics.